Hey everybody, back here with another video, and guess what time of the month it is? No, it ain't what Mother Nature gave women, but something better.
The battle box. And I am going to open it.
See what we got there, Punky. Remember, you're supposed to cut away. So cut away from you. There you go. Good job. All right.
I'll just leave that right there so I don't accidentally hit it or cut myself with it. Oh, right. Ooh.
What we got there?
It says BattlBox Mission 65 Breakdown. Adventure delivered.
Ooh. Oh, by the way, the other night I binge watched 8 episodes of Southern Survival on Netflix.
Yes, Netflix.
It was awesome. It is these guys
who actually
out at their ranges and all that, and it was the guys that actually test all this stuff. So make sure you go to Netflix and look up Southern Survival. It's a Netflix original. So it was awesome. I would actually go volunteer there if they would let me.
For free? For
free. That's what volunteering is, for free.
Yeah.
All right, so back to the battle box.
All right, so let me just take this little thing off. So right here, it is Murphy's Naturals Mosquito Repellent Balm.
Dun, dun, dun. That's going to be awesome here in eastern North Carolina. Anywhere in the southeast, actually.
Oh.
It's almost like a deodorant stick. You just turn your little wheel there and there you go. And then turn it back down.
Kind of touch it. Yeah, it kind of feels like lip balm.
All right, there you go.
That's how it feels like.
All righty. So what we got? What's next?
Here it is.
Dun dun dun, Murphy's. All right, what's next?
Well, we have.
Ooh, I like things in boxes. Normally it's something good, like a knife or something.
I don't know what.
Oh, we seen that on the thing. Open it up. It's Rescue Me. They did that. Remember, you'll see. Hey, I seen the episode where they tested this. This thing is awesome. I actually got 2 in my truck. Not these. I got 2 kind of like this in my truck. And these things are friggin' awesome. Okay?
Oh, I know exactly what this is.
Oh, do you?
So, I think this is a seatbelt cutter.
Okay.
I think you take that off.
So you got to pull that off. It's kind of hard to pull off. Yeah, it's got like a, there you go. It's like a little safety clip thing. Yeah. So you don't accidentally cut something. All right.
Here's the actual cutter, and you put the seatbelt thing through.
So you take it like this.
You just cut.
And you'll see if you watch the show, they'll cut. This thing is freaking awesome. Okay. And then this end right here, there's a.
I know what it is.
What is it?
So what you do is you.
So awesome.
So what you do is you push it up against the window, and then in this little hole, it has like this.
It's a ceramic pointed tip.
Yeah. And once you push it up against the window, it'll break the glass so you can get out.
If you go watch, you'll see them actually use that. Okay, I don't remember seeing them doing that Murphy's mosquito stuff. So, all right. So what else we got?
Okay, let me scooch this over. We have instant limb lines.
Instant limb line.
Auto fishing device.
Okay, so you can kind of see on the picture and stuff.
Can I show you something? It says Southern Survival right there too.
Bam! Look at that. The glare. The Southern Survival instant limb line. So what it is? This is you hook it to a limb. You put your fish hook and your bait and all that on there, and you let it sit in the water. So the limb goes over the water. You set it in the water, and it'll be jiggling around, so that way you can kind of see it like jiggling around and stuff. That is awesome. Ooh, there you go.
Take it out.
Auto fishing device.
Oh,
all right.
I'm gonna take it in.
All right, so.
Take it out.
Oh man, look, there we go.
It even says Southern Survival.
Oh look, it's even got hooks. It's even got hooks for you, man. That's like some catfishing hooks right there. Yeah, boy. So here, Tanya,
It even has reflector tape right here.
You take the thing. All right, so what it is, so you have a hook, okay? I gotta figure out how to open this thing up. Dun, 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 dun. There's like a little bit of string in there. Yeah. Let me get a little string out. So, anyway. So you got your line, right? Here, back up some. So you have, this probably says on the box, I don't know, that's like 6 to 10 feet of line. So what it is, and you have to feed and then you have to feed your line back through here, and then back through here to get it out to your length. And then you keep messing around with that, and then there you go. You got your line. So you put your bait on there, you tie your other end to your limb, put your bait on there, you let this dangle in the water, and then when you come back, you can see it changes angle or whatever when you know there's a fish on there.
That makes it so much easier to know.
Yeah, it does. All right, so I'm going to safely sit this over here to the side, and Pumpkin's going to give me the camera back. And we are going to move on with this. There she is.
This thing is big.
All right, so the box is empty.
Empty.
Maybe we could store other stuff in there. Nature's Grill. I can see it through the package right there. Nature's Grill.
Hey, you're cheating.
I ain't cheating. It's only cheating if you're caught.
Well, I caught you doing it. Ah.
Ooh, there's like sand in there. What the? Alright, so there's like sand. Hold on a second.
So
set it down. Yeah, so when you go to open this thing, be careful, okay? Okay. Stop banging on it. Alright, so carefully open. There you go.
I'm gonna do it from
Remember how I told you you can hold like this?
I don't
if you're trying to cut something, you can hold your finger like this, just let part of the blade stick out and just like
It's just that there's like those little things in there, so it's kind of hard.
But you don't have to push down hard. And then I can go pick it across here and just watch your finger. Man, this thing is so awesome. I love this knife. There we go. All right, I think we're done with a knife for now. All right, so there is like this powdery stuff. So here, oh, I don't think we're supposed to open it. So it's a Southern Survival. Outdoor use only, not for use indoors.
It says Nature's Grill, eco-friendly and biodegradable outdoor cooking. 60-minute grill time. Approximately. Single use and disposable, ready in 5 minutes. Perfect for parks,
I don't think we were supposed to open this.
Camping.
So it's got all this stuff in there, and it's got all that. Y'all can read that stuff. So we're going to
just leave it there.
Maybe leave it. So it looks cool. It's got all this other stuff in there too. So we're not going to set this up. So we probably going to wind up using this
in another video.
Because this thing looks awesome. So Punky, out of everything in this box, what do you like the most so far?
I like this because I hate getting bit by mosquitoes. It's like,
I do agree with you there.
The worst thing ever. And plus
I like this.
The smell.
I like this. So people, if you don't have one of these seatbelt cutters, window breaker deals,
get it.
Get one. You can either get this one. It's called the Rescue Me thing. There's the stuff right there. There's instructions. Here is their Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. It won't even focus. All right. Ooh. All
I
right.
want to say something about this.
What's up?
So I just read this, and it says that there is lemongrass, rosemary, peppermint, and cedar wood. Bugs hate cedar wood. They do. So
There you go.
this is perfect.
Awesome.
It says that it is bite relief and it is a soothing balm too. So
There you
it
go.
soothes it.
If you already get bit.
Nice.
Nice. Good job. All right. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, hit the notifications button. There, wherever I end up putting it at the end of this video, somewhere down
Probably down there.
there or over there. Which way is it? That way. Anyway.
Usually the like
So just
button
make sure
would be
you
like
like,
down
subscribe, hit the notifications button, and stay tuned for more videos. And have a great weekend because it is Friday, July 10th. Have a great weekend.
there. Bye-bye.
Stay strong, America.